Did you know a burglary happens every 30 seconds in the US? As a small business owner, one break-in could cost you thousands. That's why having the right insurance is a must. Burglary isn't just about stolen goods. You could face repair costs, lost revenue, and even legal fees if customer property is damaged. Without the right coverage, those costs come straight out of your pocket. That's where Next Insurance comes in. Their commercial property insurance helps cover stolen inventory, damaged equipment, and repair costs after a break-in. You can get fully customized coverage online in minutes with clear, no-nonsense pricing. Plus, Next Insurance offer 24/7 claims filing, so you can report an incident anytime, anywhere, and their process is fast, simple, and made for small businesses like yours. Pro tip, pair your insurance with good security like cameras, alarm system, and sturdy locks to reduce risk and maybe even lower your premium. Don't wait until after a break-in to protect your business. Click the link in the description to get a quote from Next Insurance and keep your business and your peace of mind safe.